Hello, let me introduce myself first. I'm Anissa Fitri. I will present about my final project briefly and clearly. First, the title is Oppression and Injustice Toward Women in the 18th Century and Saw Tips the Duchess movie as a feminism study. For this research, I'm using Kate Millet's theory of sexual politics and will be elaborate with various types of oppression to discuss and apply the Duchess movie as a material. I'm using this title because the movie related with women's condition in the 18th century. For the objective of the study, first, to find out Georgiana's character in the film portrayed as an 18th century woman in England. Second, to find out the oppression and injustice toward the main female character in the film as a feminism study. Third, to find out the effect of the oppression and injustice toward main character. Next is about Kate Millet's theory of sexual politics. Sexual politics is the power of relationship between women and men as an implication of sexual differences that influenced by the patriarchal system in society. Then Millet classified into three dimensions, that is temperament, role, and status. Temperament includes the formation of human personalities along stereotypical lines based on sex category, namely feminine and masculine, and based on the needs and values of the dominant groups. According to Millet, femininity in women is passivity, ignorance, benevolence, virtue, and ineffectiveness, while masculinity in men is aggressiveness, intelligence, strength, and efficiency. The second dimension is sexual roles. This decided suitability and rules about behavior and attitudes that are appropriate for women and men. Regarding activities, sexual roles indicate housework and presence of babies for women, while for men, sexual roles signify achievement, attention, or interest and ambition. Status appears following sexual roles run by women and men. Status is a political component, so high status indicates a role that has power. Two status become important in patriarchal society because high status in the hand of men is the main goal to regulate the superiority of male power over women. Indirectly, status aims to reduce women's competition, that is, by isolating them with sexual role as a housekeeper. Because of this theory focus on the oppression and injustice toward women, so I will classify it more into several types of oppression as follows: subordination, gender stereotype, double load, marginalization, and violence. Findings: Georgiana as a woman in 18th century. An obedient Georgiana found in her mother's conversation. Spencer guaranteed her daughter happiness by marrying her to Duke of Devonshire. Georgiana's passivity made her approve all requests without rejection and freedom of choice. Seen from the temperament dimension, passivity is the main factor at the beginning of the problem experienced by Georgiana. Georgiana experienced oppression and injustice. Georgiana caught her husband having an affair with her best friend Foster. Georgiana's disappointment culminated when she found out her husband was having an affair with her best friend. The strength of men with high status make them free to do anything in their superiority control over women. This became Georgiana's oppression act in her marriage. Besides that, Foster was the figure of a friend she trusted, and that made her very disappointed. Women are always looked down on, which makes them classified as subordinate women. They are always victims of male oppression. For the effect of Georgiana experience, Georgiana was exiled to a remote area on the order of the Duke. Georgiana was forced into exile to cover up the family's disgrace because she had conceived a child from Gray. Georgiana had to be exiled somewhere until the baby was born. Then the baby will be handed over and cared of by Gray family. Georgiana was silent and pensive with a blank look when Foster talked to her. Georgiana felt depressed because she would be ostracized, and this became a form of the effect of her operation. Last is conclusion. Georgiana is an obedient woman. One of them as a subordinate woman. Georgiana experienced oppression and injustice after her marriage life. Therefore, she also got the effect of oppression and injustice along her lifetime. That's all about my final project presentation. Thank you.